Shit tastes like fucking grease.
It's easy to use things this song. It's a selfie with your best friend and a beer. It's a hashtag Friday feeling. It's you need a ride, boom, who's here? It's wondering if I'm on your mind and you send an emoji.
No, Peter.
Of a heart. It's turn on airplane mode. Next thing you know, you're right back in